Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I'll talk about the AirTags, and since I have them a week, I can give you a full review about how to use them, what the functionality is, and if it's a good purchase or not. So stay tuned since I will discuss everything you need to know about the AirTags. So I'm using the AirTags now for a week, and as you may see, there are no scratches whatsoever. There were some concerns about having scratches because they are attached to your keys and they may scratch your surface, but that's not the case. I need to say I am very careful with those since they are very expensive. So I put them in a bag. I don't put them in my pocket. I don't put them anywhere near something sharp. So that's maybe the case why you can't find any scratches on those. And the leather is also intact. So it's nice and clean. I'm using it for a week though, so it's not for that long, but it's not that you will have a very scratch AirTag after 1 week. So that's a pro, I could say. They last for long, and that's something I care about. But that's just the outside. We need to know about the functionality, and that's where the iPhone comes in. Because with the iPhone, you can exactly track your AirTags within a range of like 10 meters. There is a caveat though, because I've tested them out somewhere where I had a big place, and they very disappoint me, and I'll show you in a moment why that's the case, so stay tuned for that. But if I just track them and they are like just here, I can immediately find them, obviously. If they are somewhere in your bag and you can't see them, you can just, as you hear right now, you can just turn on the voice and you hear this annoying voice, I should say, because it sounds like a tech device from 1999 or something. But hey, you can find them, and that's the case. You can play a sound, like I said. And what if you lost them somewhere in the supermarket or in the gym? Can you track your way, all your way to your AirTags from your iPhone, as you do when you search on them in-house? Well, the answer is no. To return a lost AirTag, there's some more that you need to do to find them eventually. So what you need to do is enable lost mode, hit continue, and you need to enter your phone number in case someone finds them. So now the lost mode is enabled. So the downside is that you can change the message in here. It says this item has been lost, please call me. So the finder will eventually know that someone has lost his keys, and this message is clear enough to give you a call. Your phone number is also in there, so the finder will call you. So what happens, that person just is able to scan the AirTags with an Android or an iPhone and get your information, so your phone number or email address, and the message that says please call me back, or please call me because I just lost my keys. So that's one way to find your keys if you've just lost them somewhere very far. And there's a second way though, and that's when you go to find my whatever it is. So once you go to this app, what Apple does is they use, or they take advantage of hundreds of millions of iPhones, iPads, or Mac devices that are just somewhere near, and they locate the place of your AirTag, and that way you can track them all the way to the place where you lost them. I think it's a hassle. It's not very convenient, because why not just have that functionality built in your iPhone? Just like when you lost your AirTags when they are like in-house, somewhere near 5 meters, why not having the possibility to track them all the way to the place where you lost them, somewhere far, like a couple of miles away? That's something I think Apple will integrate with the AirTags too. We need to wait for that. For now, we just have to do with the AirTags, And the only thing that they are good for is that you can find them in a place in your home or something. And I should say something about that, because if you lost your AirTags and you live in a 2-story house, it can be very hard for the AirTag to send a signal to your iPhone to just track them all the way to the keys. Because I tried that, and there is something I should say about that, because I put them somewhere in the. I was in the first floor, and I put them on the ground floor. So I went to the first floor and I tried to track them, but I couldn't find them. So I must walk. So I had to walk all the way to near the back where my AirTags finally were, and like 5 meters away from my keys, the signal got stronger. And yeah, I think that's not ideal, because yeah, most of the time when we live in a big house, we can lose them. And yeah, if you lose them just like 10 meters away from you, you can't find them because the signal is too weak. You need to walk all through your house. Yeah, in that case, you shouldn't even have them in the first place, because that way you're just searching for your keys without the possibility to turn this future on, because the signal is weak, just 10 meters away. I think that's something that Apple needs to work on. Yeah, but overall, we have here an accessory that cost me like $80 or something. And yeah, if you can take my advice, I would not recommend these. And simply because, yeah, you can find your keys in a range of 5 meter. They're water resistant and all of that. I didn't talk about that because, yeah, it's not something that I care about. What I care about most is the fact that you can find them even if they are like 10 miles away. If that's a feature that's basically very easy to implement, if you ask me, that would be very great, because that way, yeah, keys, we can't call our keys like our phone, because if you lost your phone, you can just call your phone or find my iPhone, and that way you'll be tracked all the way to your iPhone. Why is that not the case with the AirTags? Because it's of the small device it is, they can't make a chip inside this AirTag to track you all the way to the place where it is. I don't know. There's one more thing I need to say about the AirTags. If you have the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 11, if you have the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12, you can take advantage of the U1 precision chip. Basically, it means that it has a feature that lets you, that gives you specific instructions where the AirTag is. That means that when you walk with your phone, if you have the iPhone 11 or 12, your phone will have this haptic feedback that gives you, like when you walk the wrong direction, it gives you the feedback that you are walking to the right wrong direction. That can be done with the iPhone 10 or the 10s. So that's something that you need to consider if you want to buy an AirTag while having the iPhone 10. And the AirTag, the battery for the AirTag is not like what you may think. It's not like AirPods or iPhone or whatever other Apple device where you just put the charger underneath the device. It works with battery. So basically how you can change the battery, it's very simple. And you can just buy that battery at a dollar shop or at Apple, but I strongly advise you to just do that at a dollar shop. So what you need to do is just turn this in here. It's very easy. And you'll find the battery. You need to put it upside down inside the AirTag and turn it on. And once you hear that sound, that means that your battery is connected to the AirTag. You can also know what the percentage of that battery is. So if I click on my AirTag, you see that my battery is full. Yeah, because I just have them for a week now, so I guess after a couple of months that battery will be half full or empty even. But you can just buy a cheap battery at the dollar store, and that battery should go for a long time because it doesn't require any power, because it just has a built-in UI chip with Bluetooth that does much than sending signals to your phone if you have your Bluetooth on. And that's actually very it, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. If I have just one advice for you, don't buy them. Just wait for the AirTag 2. That one will have more functionality. That's it. If you have any questions about the AirTag, just leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer all your questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.